Did you know that you had two brains? One of them lives up inside your skull. The other, well, it's hiding deep down inside your gut and it's silently pulling the strings on your mood, your memory, your immune system, your sleep, and even your food cravings. Hidden inside of your gut is a powerful command and control center.
This is Major Tom to ground control.
Hello, I'm Dr. Christos, and I'm here to explain how your gut, your second brain, works for you day and night. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, well, I'm going to give you a free gut health quiz with drug-free recommendations on how to heal your gut. Because your gut, your second brain, communicates with your brain up in your head both day and night, 24/7. And it's not just talking about digestion and elimination of the food you eat. Nope. Your gut talks to your brain about so many of your systems inside your body, and your brain talks back.
What's that supposed to mean?
Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Huh? Think, McFly, think!
And the gut two-way street communication in between your brain is something that most doctors never talk about. Your gut and your brain are in constant communication through your nervous system. Scientists call this two-way communication your gut-brain axis. The vagus nerve that runs from your brain, up in your brain, down into your gut, well, it's the body's internal telephone line, and it sends messages back and forth from your belly to your brain. And it sends pain signals, stress signals, and hunger signals when you're hungry, when you're full. And the gut-brain communication system manages your hormones and your immune system. And by the way, in case you didn't know it, 70% of your entire immune system, it's sitting right inside of your gut. And catch this, the gut sends signals to your brain about your moods, when you're happy, when you're sad. Well, let me share with you a study that demonstrates this amazing system. See, it was published in the Journal of Gastroenterology back in 2011. And scientists in this groundbreaking study, well, they used an MRI to show how bacteria inside the gut, well, they control the release of chemicals inside the brain that control your emotional behavior and how you think. The bacteria in your gut aren't just digesting your food, they're affecting your mood, your stress levels, your hormone levels, your ability to think and make decisions, and even whether or not you get a good night's sleep. And listen to this. In another major research study back in 2012, it was published in the medical journal Nature Reviews Neuroscience. Well, researchers found that the gut bacteria send signals to the brain through hormones like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. All these chemicals are extremely important in how we think, how we feel, and how we behave. In fact, over 90% of your serotonin is made inside of your gut, not the brain. And that's the feel-good hormone. And this is why scientists now believe that many cases of anxiety, depression, brain fog, and even nerve and brain diseases start inside the gut. They don't start inside the brain, they start inside the gut. And I've seen this firsthand in my practice. I've worked with thousands of patients who struggle for years with conditions like brain fog, poor memory, dementia, anxiety, depression, and even serious brain disorders like Alzheimer's. And I've watched people seeing amazing turnarounds when they fixed their gut. They were able to help their health problems inside their brain and their nervous system. How? Well, first of all, I didn't just guess. I did tests to identify the biochemistry of their gut, including inflammatory markers and levels of good and bad bacteria living inside their gut. And then we use specific dietary modifications and supplements to help the body to get rid of the bad bacteria and to increase the levels of the good bacteria inside their gut. And then I used herbs and other nutritional supplements to get rid of the bad bacteria and added back the good bacteria by using food as medicine. Foods like fermented foods and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables and whole grain, beans and legumes, along with probiotics. And I prescribe specific supplements for the bacteria, the different kinds of bacteria, of strains of bacteria inside their gut those people were deficient in. And I've always made sure that my patients were managing stress in their lives because stress taxes both the brain and the gut and cause an imbalance in between the good and the bad bacteria. Now, trust me, if you're walking around with unmanaged stress in your life, then you're getting a double whammy, a double dose of trouble both inside your gut and your brain. See, we're all exposed to constant stress in our life, and we need to use stress management techniques throughout the day, like prayer, meditation, and deep breathing, and lots of laughter. Laughter is one of the best medicines, and it's a major stress buster. So be sure to include plenty of laughter in your daily routine. One of my patients came into my office and they had prescriptions for antidepressants. They were taking sleepy pills and antacids. And just after 30 days, a short 30 days, my gut health care plan, this patient got off all of her medications. She was sleeping like a baby and she was feeling joyful, motivated, and full of energy again. My friend, that's how science-backed functional medicine works. We find the underlying root cause of disease instead of just treating symptoms with medications. And the sad part is that most patients go to doctors who only prescribe medications.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. And one for the doctor.
And they don't ever mention any of these things I'm talking about. Why? Well, because conventional doctors spend 10 hours just training in medical school of nutrition. And instead of healing their gut, they just put on Band-Aids on the symptoms with drugs. Trust me, your doctor may mean well, and they may have the best intentions in the world to help you. But if they haven't learned about these things I'm talking about, if they haven't got the training, you're the one who's going to lose out. And that's why I encourage everyone to take a proactive role in their health and learn as much as you can on your own. Read books, listen to podcasts, join a health community of like-minded people, and learn as much as you can on your own about the latest science-based natural medicine. But warning, here's a warning. Don't accept hook, line, and sinker or whatever you hear on the internet. Make sure there's good science with years of proven research that backs up the wild claims that people are now making on the internet.
Inconceivable.
And not just one or two isolated studies that have been paid for by some special interest group to support those outrageous claims. So here's the bottom line. If you want to protect your mental health, boost your mood, sharpen your mind, get a stronger immune system, and get better sleep by healing, start by healing your gut. Because when your gut is healthy, your brain and the rest of your body will be healthy too. And I also encourage you to check out my Gut 911 prescription community so you can get support of me and other people just like you with loads of resources to heal your body. And that way you can say goodbye to illness and hello to wellness